Hello friends, today I am going to discuss question answer of the chapter Primary Activity. It is the chapter of geography book of class 12. First question, what do you mean by primary activity? Answer, primary activities are those which are directly dependent on environment. People use earth resources such as land, water, vegetation, etc. People who are engaged in primary activity are known as red collar worker. Next question, what do you mean by gathering and who performs gathering? Answer, gathering means the collection of plants and animals for food, shelter and clothing. Gathering is performed by the primitive society who live in harsh climate. Next question, what are the features of gathering? Answer, features of gathering are as follows. First is low capital. Next is low skill investment. Next is little or no surplus production. Next is low yield per person. Next question, name the areas where gathering is practiced. Answer, areas where gathering is practiced are as follows. First is high latitude zone hyphen, it include northern Canada, northern Eurasia and southern Chile. Next is low latitude zone hyphen, it include northern fringe of Australia, Amazon basin, tropical Africa and interior part of Southeast Asia. Next question, how the gatherers use the trees? Answer, gatherers sell the product which are made from the trees, such as from the bark of trees they make quinine, from the leaves they make beverages, from the trunk of the tree they make rubber, gum, etc. From the milky juice of Zapota tree they make chewing gum. Next question, write a short note on hunting. Answer, It is considered as most primitive activity. Most of the ancient society dependent on hunting. People living in very hot and very cold climate survive on hunting. Due to illegal hunting, many species have been extinct or endangered. Next question. Write a short note on nomadic herders. Answer. It is also known as pastoral nomadism. It is a primitive subsistence activity. Animals are reared for food, shelter, clothing, transport, etc. Nomadic herders move from one place to another with their cattle in order to search good pasture and water for their cattle. Next question. Name the regions where nomadic herding is practiced. Answer. Regions where nomadic herding is practiced are as follows. First is tundra region of Eurasia. Next is core region from Atlantic shore of North Africa to Arabian Peninsula into Mongolia and central China. Next is in the small area of Southwest Africa and on the island of Madagascar. Next question. What do you mean by transhumance? Answer. When herders move from one place to another in search of pasture. During summer season, herders move from plains towards mountain, and during winter season, herders move from mountain towards plain. This process of seasonal vertical movement is called transhumance. Next question. What do you mean by commercial livestock rearing? Answer. It is more organized and it requires large amount of capital as compared to nomadic herding. In it, only one type of animal is reared on a large scale. It is done on developed societies. So friends, in this video it is enough. I will come back soon with some other question answer of this chapter. So Till then, take care. Bye bye.